How to remove archived chats from top of WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can take off the top of the WhatsApp archive chats. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your WhatsApp application from your device and get logged into your specific WhatsApp account number. You will see a page like this, then tap on three dot icon on your top right, tap onto settings. Under settings option, you will see chats, tap open that option. Then under archive chats, by default, keep chats archived as toggled on. Make sure you toggle it off. And after you toggle it off, archived chats will remain archived when you receive a new message, removing them from top of your WhatsApp. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.